Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. I say good day to you all. So you're welcome to this channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And then if you haven't subscribed before, please do so by subscribing to my channel, like my videos, comment and share. And then click the notification button so that anytime I upload video, you'll be the first to watch. Alright guys, we want to derive the quadratic formula using the Po-Shenloh method and also using the completing the square method. I'm sure that most of you are new with this method, Po-Shenloh's method. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you derive the quadratic formula using this Po-Shenloh method and then using the using the completing the square method. Okay guys, so let's dive into uh the solution. All right. Now let's start with Po-Shenloh method. Po-Shenloh's method. All right. Now, given a quadratic function, so we all know our quadratic function is in this form: ax raised to the power of 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. These are quadratic function. So this first thing you are going to do, you are going to divide both sides by a. So we divide through by a divided by a divided by a. So we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over a multiplied by x plus c over a equals 0. And also you can subtract c over a from both sides. So we subtract c over a from both sides, we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Now, beautiful, this is what you are going to do next. We are going to assume the roots are of this form. So assume the roots are of the form x equals u plus or minus z. Are you getting me now? So we assume that the roots are of the form x equal u plus or minus z. Are you getting me? So where u is equal to minus b over 2a, so that's the average of the sum of roots, from your Vieta's theorem. Now, sum of root, that is, if you have x1 and x2 as your root, so the sum of the two roots will be minus b over a. So the average will be the value of this u. Are you following me now? So now let's move on. Then after we've assumed that the roots are of the form x equal to u plus or minus z, and we know that u is minus b over 2a, so this is what we are going to do. So you are going to put, or you are going to let x be equal to u plus z and substitute it into this equation right here. Okay, so substitute that into that equation. So you substitute u plus z for x in that equation. So we are going to have u plus z raised to the power of 2 plus b over a multiplied by u plus z. Then this will be equal to minus c over a. Now, so let's expand this. If you expand u plus z raised to the power of 2, so you are going to get u raised to the power of 2 plus 2uz plus z raised to the power of 2 plus, now, b over a multiplied by u, that will be b over au plus b over a multiplied by z. So that is going to give you b over a multiplied by z, which is equal to minus c over a. Now, let's substitute back the value of u. We know that u is minus b over 2a. Then we are going to have u, which is minus b over 2a. We have minus b over 2a. Then you can see square, so raised to the power of 2 plus 2 into bracket minus b over 2a multiplied by z plus z squared plus b over a multiplied by minus b over 2a plus b over a multiplied by z is equal to minus c over a. All right, so minus b over 2a raised to the power of 2 will give us b over 4a squared. Then, yeah, 2 will cancel out 2. So what we have here is minus b over az plus z squared plus, okay, this will be minus, because b over a multiplied by minus b over 2a. So that will be minus b raised to the power of 2 over 2a squared. Then plus b over a multiplied by z is equal to minus c over a. So we can see that minus b over az, we cancel out b over az here if you collect like terms. Then you bring b over 4a squared and minus b over 2a squared. So we are going to have, so this is b squared. So we are going to have b raised to the power of 2 over 4a squared minus b raised to the power of 2 over 2a squared plus z squared is equal to minus c over a. So we're going to have minus c over a. Then b squared over 4a squared minus b squared over 2a squared. So that is going to give us b squared over 4a squared. The LCM here is 4a squared. I get him now. The LCM is 4a squared. So you have over 4a squared here. Then 4a squared and 4a squared, that is 1. So that will be b squared. Then minus 2b squared. Then plus z squared is equal to minus c over a. Now, so b squared minus 2b squared will give us minus b squared. So we are going to have minus b squared over 4a squared, then plus z squared is equal to minus c over a. So what you are going to do next is to add b squared over 4a squared to the both side. So we add b squared over 4a squared to the both side. So we are going to have z squared is equal to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So then we are going to have z squared is equal to, if you take the LCM here, which is 4a squared, then a in 4a squared, that is 4a. So multiplied by minus c, you are going to have minus 4ac, then plus b squared. So you can write this as z squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac, then over 4a raised to the power of 2. So what you are going to do next is take the square root of both sides. And don't forget, when you take the square root, we have plus or minus here. Then you have z is equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then everything over 2a. Because if you take the square root of 4, that is 2, square root of a squared, that is a. So we have z is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac, then over 2a. Now don't forget that x is equal to u plus or minus z, or you say u plus z, since we already have plus or minus here. Then I'm going to have x is equal to u plus, the value of z, which is plus or minus square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac, then over 2a. And we know that u is minus b over 2a. Then we are going to have x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac over 2a. Then we have our quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac, then everything over 2a. So that's how you derive the quadratic formula using the Po-Shenloh method. Okay, now let's derive the quadratic formula using the quadratic method, using the completing the square method. Now, using the completing the square method, you know the quadratic function, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, this is what you are going to do. You divide both sides by a. So if you do that, over a, over a, over a, over a, then we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over a multiplied by x, then plus c over a is equal to 0. Then subtract c over a from both sides. So we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over a multiplied by x is equal to minus c over a. Okay, So come in, let me partition this board very well. All right, guys, so this is what you are going to do next. You take the coefficient of x, you divide it by 2 and square the answer, then add your result to the both side. Now the coefficient of x here is b over a. So if you divide b over a by 2, you are going to have what? B over 2a. Then you square your answer, then add this answer to the both side. Okay? Then we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over ax, then plus b over 2a raised to the power of 2 is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a raised to the power of 2. Then you complete the square here. So it's this and this which have square. So we are going to neglect this. Then we are going to have x plus b over 2a. Then this will be raised to the power of 2, which is equal to minus c over a plus b raised to the power of 2 over 4a square, please, because b square and 2 square is 4, then a square is a square. Then we have minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. Now, this is what we are going to do next. We are going to have x plus b over 2a raised to the power of 2 is equal to, I'll take the LCM here, which is 4a squared. 4a squared. Then, so that will be minus 4ac plus b squared. So you can write this as x plus b over 2a raised to the power of 2 is equal to b squared minus 4ac, then everything over 4a squared here. Then you take the square root of both sides. So taking the square root of both sides, so you have your plus or minus. So square will cancel the square root here. Then you have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus, then square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac, then over 2a, because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a square is a. Then you subtract b over 2a from both sides. You are going to have x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac, then everything over 2a. Now, therefore, we have a quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ac, then everything over 2a. Now, so that is how you derive the quadratic formula using the Po-Shenloh method and using the completing the square method. Okay, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, don't forget to like my video, share my video, comment, and click the notification button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.